I'll be showing you a quick and easy exercise to do to help with your neurotension in the upper limb. So we're going to make a swan neck first and then making a stop sign. So we're going to be doing this sort of movement to help normalize the movement of your nerve within its sheath and also allowing the muscles around the sheath to relax. So we're normalizing that. And once you don't feel much here, we can start to progress out to the side. This is where you want to be. This is where you want to end up. If you're finding you can feel the stretch or any symptom, then you should come back to where you can't feel anything. Another movement we can do is if we have our arm like this, head tilted the other way, and then we're going to tilt our head sideways. So this is the next progression you can do as well.